Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do flash effect in VN. So here I've already import a video, and then to add a flash effect you need to add a white image as an overlay. So here I'm going to choose photo and adjust the white image so that it cover the whole frame like this, and shorten it as short as possible. So I'm going to adjust it to 0 point like 30 seconds. Okay, 0 0.30, and add a keyframe at the beginning and then go to the end of the white image and add another keyframe in here and lower the opacity until 0 so that it look like this. Okay, I'm going to shorten it again, so like that, and then here duplicate it and move it to the next like this. Add another keyframe, adjust the opacity, and it will go like this. So the result will go like that, and you can drag it, you can adjust it, and you can add duplicate. So you can add as many as flash effect as possible, it's up to you. And add another keyframe and adjust the opacity, so it will have a flash effect like that. So that's up to you where to put it. So that's basically how you can do flash effect in VN. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below, I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today, see you guys next time.